What if I told you you could turn any story, script, or blog post into a professional-sounding audiobook using just your phone? In this video, I'll show you how I use 11 Labs to generate high-quality, natural-sounding voiceovers that sound like a real narrator. You don't need to record your voice. You don't need a studio. With just your script, your phone, and the right voice settings, you can create an audiobook that's ready for YouTube, Spotify, or even to sell. Whether it's a children's story, a dramatic read, or something totally original, this is one of the fastest ways to turn your words into something you can actually publish. Let me show you how. So we come over to ChatGPT. Yes, ChatGPT, because this is an AI channel. So you're going to put in, I need 5 hook titles for motivation. Now, these are the ones that come up. I always use motivation. I really think it's a great topic. You're going to put in, could you create a story for my audiobook with number 3? Because ChatGPT numbered the stories. Now it says, today, not tomorrow, for improvement. And it gives me chapter 1. It gives me chapter 2. It gives me all the chapters. It even gives me a closing. So what you're going to do is copy the whole story, even the title, and we're going to take it over. Looking for my prompts? They're all in my Creator Hub, linked in the description. You'll find powerful tools, mini tutorials, and 100+ prompts updated every month. It's everything I use, made simple for you. To 11 Labs. 11 Labs have updated their whole site. Audiobooks, podcasts, sound effects, all that great stuff, even dubbed videos. We're going to do audiobook. You're going to upload your audiobook, but you need to paste it somewhere first. So I just pasted it in my notes. You could paste it on Word, but you have to save it as a file so you can upload it to the audiobook. There it is. It was right in my files on my phone, and now I'm going to choose a voice that I want to use. I click it. I'm going to use Adam, but there are tons to use. Then you click generate. Now it has the full right here, so you can edit it if you want, or you can take some parts out. It's really up to you. But once you press
Today,
play,
not tomorrow.
this is what it sounds
for
like.
Action and achievement.
It sounds just
Imagine
like an
if today was the
audiobook,
day
and I like that
changed.
it's a
Not next
motivational
week,
one. You
not
always got to stay
someday, but
motivated,
right
right?
now.
I just wanted
This
to
is
show
your
you a
reminder.
little bit.
Your
Because it even
dreams are
puts
not
the
waiting for
title
you.
in, and it
Today,
puts the
not tomorrow
punctuations
isn't
in,
just a
so it
phrase.
stops with the
It's a
periods
blueprint
and
to shift
everything
from
like that.
dreaming
So it
to
kind of
doing.
sounds like a real person talking here. Now what you're going to do is export it. Once you have it exported, it is in your downloads on your phone. Now, you can even make a podcast on here. Yes, with a back and forth, a host, and a guest. I just uploaded the same file that I did for my audiobook, and now it's going to turn it into a conversation. Used Chris, and I'm going to use Jessica. So you can either use it as a conversation or in bulletin, just to hit on some subjects. But I'm going to keep it conversation, and then you're going to click auto direct. I'm going to keep it in English, and then you click generate. But there are tons of languages you can use. After it's done generating, this is what it will sound like.
Studies show we spend
So
about
she's going to
47% of our
talk,
waking
and it
hours
even shows you who's
thinking about
talking
the
because it
future
gives you green, and then
instead
it
of
shows
taking
blue
action
when
in the
it's
present.
on someone else.
And that's
So you
exactly
can edit
what
it
we're
here
diving
before
into
you
today.
export it. And then you just click export, and now it's in your phone. Now you can create a podcast through an article or from scratch. I really love this tool. I really do. 11 Labs really upped their game here. So once you click export, you can publish it. No, I mean really publish it straight to Spotify, 11 Reader, or Audio Native. And you can make so much money from this. Now you're going to click continue. And once you click continue, you have to make sure you put a name on your voice. So I'm just going to keep the name Laura because I'm trying to show you how to do this. So Laura by 11 Labs, and then you're going to click export. Now I do have to warn you, it doesn't go straight to Spotify. After you upload to Findway Voices, because that's who approves it, then you have to wait 7 to 14 days, and then you get your link, And then all you have to do is search Spotify and it's right there, and just share your link and you can make so much money. You even keep 100% of the royalties, or you can sell it on Audible, or this one that I found just recently. So make your money. If you enjoy learning about AI and how to use it on your phone, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button so you can get all the new updates. Thanks for watching.